Today, a new gold rush is happening, but it is not in a desert. It is inside giant buildings. They are called data centers. And the spending is huge. Some projections talk about hundreds of billions going into AI infrastructure. So the question is simple. What are we buying and what are we hoping for? Are we building all this before we even know what it's for? That is the exact question, because this is not just a tech story. It's a power grid story, a real estate story, and a finance story. And if the timing is wrong, this gold rush can turn into an empty box. Think of AI like a very hungry student. To learn, it needs practice. Millions of lessons over and over. That practice happens on chips, in servers, inside data centers. But AI has a problem. It does not just need chips. It needs everything around the chip. A chip is like the engine, but you still need the car, the road, and the gas station. So companies spend on the building, the servers, the networking, the cooling, and the electricity gear. And the electricity part is not small. One major outlook suggests data center electricity use could roughly double by 2030. So if you build the AI brain, you are also building a new kind of power-hungry factory. Now imagine every big company trying to win the same race. At the same time, in the same decade. Here is what makes this feel like a bubble story. The spending is happening now, the payoff is later, and the payoff is not guaranteed. Some estimates discuss multi-trillion build-out needs for AI-capable data centers over the decade. Big spending alone is not a bubble. Bubble risk comes from timing and confidence. You can buy servers fast, but you cannot build grid upgrades fast. Transformers take time, permits take time, skilled crews take time. Some projections show data center power demand rising sharply by 2030. So even if the money is ready, the electricity might not be. If everyone builds, who buys? At first, the buyers are mostly big tech, startups with funding, big companies testing pilots, but pilots are not profits. Then you get a classic problem: too many malls, not enough shoppers, prices drop, weak players crack first. And it can happen quietly, because data centers don't close like stores. They just sit half full. A data center is expensive, and it ages fast. Chips become old in a few years. So the money question becomes, how many dollars of AI value can you squeeze out per watt, per month? This is where bubbles are born. When people stop asking, will this pay back? And start saying, we can't afford to miss out. History does not repeat perfectly, but it repeats patterns. Rush, overbuild, reality check. Some analysts explicitly discuss peak spending risk in this cycle. So the real question is not, is AI real? Is the build-out paced correctly? Let's play out two futures. AI demand keeps growing. Companies find real use cases. AI becomes a normal business tool, and the data centers fill up. In this future, winners look obvious in hindsight. They built early. They locked power. They scaled. The best products take longer to monetize. Price competition squeezes margins. Power delays, stall openings, some buildings run under capacity, then one headline changes everything. They can slow builds, cancel orders, renegotiate, and suppliers feel it instantly. Because this boom is not one company, it is a chain. If the chain tightens, the weakest links break first. Often, the company's built around the boom. So is this an AI data center bubble? The honest answer is not proven yet, but the risk is easy to describe. Here are 5 simple signals to watch. Are buildings filling up or staying half full? The price of compute. Are prices falling faster than demand rises? Power access. Are new sites getting electricity on time? Capital expenditure versus cash. Are companies stretching or comfortable? Revenue proof. Are AI products becoming routine or still demos? Simplest rule, follow the watts and follow the dollars. So it's not, is AI real? It's, will the spending pay back on time? And remember this metaphor, a data center is a stadium. The question is not how fast you build it. The question is how many fans show up every night. For years,